And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm holding this pair of scissors, and in front of you po is my bare background. So let's use this background as our canvas. So I love doing DIYs po. First reason, it's so funny, it's so cute, it's so much cheaper compared sa mga prices sa malls and stores. And lastly po, no one else will have the same design as you do. That makes it so amazing. So I figure out po to put some creative twist and touches sa isang favorite ko na app, which is the Pinterest. I love browsing sa Pinterest po. Maraming mga ideas, marami pong mga projects na pwede natin i-DIY sa atin. I personally love Pinterest ideas because it's so easy to follow, it's so creative, it's so colorful, basta it's so cute for me. Please give this video a like if you want to see more DIYs video like this. And please subscribe to my channel to keep you posted for more upcoming videos. Comment down below what other DIYs you want me to do next. So let's start to the video.
Hi guys, these are the things we need. So let us start. So you're gonna start by doing the pin heads first. Any pin will do, but I just chose this gold ones because it's so cute. Take a pin, insert a bit. By the way, you can use whatever color and size you want. I just like this tiny pastel pink. Then followed by a sequin. And just repeat the process all over. Three down, 197 to go. Now here's a close-up so you can see it clearly. Now transfer the pins you've made into a dish or whatever container you have so you can reach it easily later. Just like this. Now grab your foam ball and find the middle. And start at the marking to have a straight line. Take a pin, then you need to insert it to the foam firmly, just like this. Now follow the lining. Now build your way up by overlapping. By doing this, you are forming a scale-like pattern. Now repeat it to the third row. Once you finished halfway, you flip the ball and start on the other side just like you did to the other. And voila! Here's your beautiful finished product. So lightweight, so gorgeous, and yeah, so cute! And yes, I made two other designs just like this and this. My favorite design is the bottom one. because they're so cheap and so easy to make. And it can match perfectly to your other orbs, which just I love. So if you like it, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which design is your favorite. I love reading them. I will talk to you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye guys!